Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So Samsung Galaxy Fold is back in the news. Apparently they are not killing this phone off or not pushing the date back any farther. I think Samsung's hoping to get this out by August. There's no official date that we can actually stamp the seal on it. However, they've issued a statement saying, hey, we have ironed out all the issues with the screen and we're going in full force. Now, my question would be for Samsung, or what I'm thinking about when I think about the Galaxy Fold, is are they going to change the price to kind of comfort those people who got out there and was able to get their order in and then they have to cancel? What are they going to do to take care of the customers who already pre-ordered and had to go through the cancellation process? And are they going to update the price at all to go down a little bit? A lot of people say that, oh, this phone isn't for everyone. You know, people said that about the Galaxy Note. People were saying, oh, this is for business owners. Blackberries are for business owners. No, folks. And Samsung wants to move units. You can rest assured if Samsung was to sell 500,000 of these on day one, they're not thinking, oh, wait, we better not give this to these people because they're not business owners. They're not business customers. All these companies want to move money, and Samsung is no exception. They are doing very well with the Galaxy Note line, and that was supposed to be a product that was, you know, specifically, some people said it was for business owners. I don't recall ever hearing Samsung say the Note was for business owners. But the Galaxy Fold is a phone that they're trying to push to have you have more of a tablet feel in your hand. But I'm still on the fence about this. I mean, I'm definitely on the fence about the price. $2,000 for a phone is just, you know, and then paying monthly. Even if you pay monthly for it, you're still paying $2,000. And as soon as you purchase that device, you'll see the price drop off very fast. For them brand new. Now, for some reason, I don't know why Samsung phones are so great, but the value just drops off so fast. Example, the Galaxy Note 9, easily get it for 400 and something brand new. Easy, brand new. And I don't know why that is, because that's a great phone. You know, and not that I want to pay more. I'm just saying, I don't know why most and almost all Android phones hold no value afterwards. And I guess really, well, yes I do, because the market is saturated with them. It's a lot of Android devices out there, so there's always options. So I guess that's probably going to be the main reason why pricing drops really fast. However, the Galaxy Fold is a phone that, it's an eclectic device. It's an interesting phone. My gripe that I have with this phone is the price and that small display on the front. Pretty much, if I could get past that, you'd see me purchase that phone and, you know, I will go ahead and give it a run. And I'm not writing it off as a phone that I'll never review. I'm just saying right now, that's not something I'm willing to spend on a cell phone. I've pushed my limit to $1,000, and that right there is too much, because you got phones like this. I'm grabbing two phones that are sitting next to me. You got the Pixel 3a and the G8. Those phones are just killer phones, along with a ton of other phones. You can also get current model iPhones or like previous year's iPhones for a really good price, and some current year iPhones for a good price. You can just get some very powerful phones for a good price. And then, you know, there's a lot of phones that release that are much lower in cost that are probably just going to do the same thing. The phone opens up into like a 7.3 inch or a 7.5 inch tablet, whatever. There are phones out there that have big screens already where you don't need to open it up. But the advantage of the Galaxy Fold is that it might be a little bit more pocketable. You know what I'm saying? It's got more RAM. It's got more memory. It's a lot to like about the Galaxy Fold. My dislike for the Galaxy Fold leveled off already. You know, I'm over it. I know the price is going to be high, so I got to get over it. If I don't want to pay for it, I'm not going to complain about it. And with time, that kind of was my thing. You know, I was like, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and just take it for what it is. I'm a tech reviewer, so if it's within my budget to purchase, I'll purchase it. If it's not, I'll keep you guys informed on it and give you updates on it. And I owe you at least that, because this is smartphoneconversations.com. Yeah, you know. Yeah. So the thing is, I'm going to always tell you about what's happening out there in the field of tech. Whether I purchase all of them or not, that's another story. But I like to let you guys know of the options that are clearly there for people who want to purchase products out there. I don't see anything wrong with letting you know that there are better options out there. And a lot of people seem to get really offended by people saying, hey, you know, it's not a good deal. I mean, $2,000 for a phone, folks. I don't care if it's a media pocket powerhouse. That's a full-blown laptop. That's part of your mortgage, part of my mortgage, and then a MacBook. You know, it's weird what we'll put out there. And yes, you're only paying it one time. You're only paying it one time. But this is a situation where I would tell a person, do not pay monthly on a carrier for this phone. And this is a recommendation. $1,000 is my limit. Your limit might be $3,000. But you got to consider the after effect, the afterthought, the afterwards. Guaranteed, folks. Guaranteed. I mean, like I gave the example earlier of the Galaxy Note 9. If that phone dropped in price immediately, imagine how this phone is going to do. And this one, you're probably going to be losing a whole bunch more. For one, they're probably not going to sell a lot of units because people try to make excuses for us. Oh, this is for a niche market. This isn't for everybody. You know, it's for me. I'm willing to try it. Great, you're willing to try it, but don't try to convince people that it's a smart thing to buy a phone for $2,000. No. So that's just not smart with money. That's just not a good choice because it depreciates immediately. And some people try to give examples of other things like cars and all these other things. Cars can gain value over time. This is that's a bad example someone gave. Well, your car, no, the car's depreciated in the first year, but the longer you hold on to that car, the value can go back up depending on how many are on the market or how many people want it. I doubt that's going to happen with a cell phone. No cell phone is going to appreciate in value. Come on, that's just not going to happen. And if it has happened, you know, it's very rare. But this phone right here, coming in at $2,000 before taxes, yeah, this is easily about $2,400 to $2,500 after taxes. Like $2,300, maybe $2,200 for after taxes for me. Let's just say $2,300. That's a lot of money for a cell phone. And then if I'm swiping my card, you know, that means I'm paying either I'm going to pay with my debit card, which is just basically cash, or I'm going to pay with my credit card. And thank goodness I have 0 interest rate credit card. But still, I'm still paying a lot of money. So I'm hoping that when Samsung brings this out, they bring it down a notch on the price. Give some promo or something. I don't want free headphones. Take money off. Because I'm not convinced with the small screen on the front, because I'm not going to want to open this phone up every time. And to my surprise, so many people have fallen for this marketing by Samsung. And I'm saying fallen for, because no one wants to walk around. Let me grab something here. No one wants to walk around with their phone opened up like this all the time just to send a text message. You want to be in the car at a stoplight and you want to knock a text out real quick, or respond to a text real fast. That's what you want to do. You don't. It's just amazing. Marketing is great. You know what I'm saying? I hear you. If you like what you like, I could appreciate that. But you have to. I'm also willing to listen to your ideas or your feedback on things that you might not like that I say. However, personal attacks on my opinion is just stupid. There's no other way to. It's stupid to tell a person you're wrong for your opinion. That's just crazy. I respect everybody's opinion, and this is a sensitive topic for a lot of people because I've seen it in other videos that I posted about the Galaxy Fold. People immediately go into defense mode for whatever reason. It's that great marketing that companies have over their mind. You got to be smart in your choices, folks. I've said it a million times. I'm not saying the phone is a bad phone. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I've leveled out. I'm going to give everything a chance. But it's realistic for a person to say, what? $2,000 for a cell phone? Because ultimately that's what it is, a cell phone. You can have a phone and a tablet for much less than that. So let's see what happens with Samsung in the next 30 days or so. And we'll give you an update if something else comes out. But I'm just not feeling this situation right here with the $2,000 price tag and the 4.5-inch display or 4.6-inch display on the front. People talk about bezels and all that, but look at the front of this phone. This thing is huge all around. It's got a little display. Why did they choose to do a little display on the front? Only they know. So the Galaxy Fold is in the works. So all you people who wanted the Galaxy Fold, you got your $2,000 ready. Hey, I want to see how this goes down. And if you're on T-Mobile only lets you float about $750. I haven't financed a phone in oh my gosh. They haven't. I think. Well, back then I don't know what it is now. I'll say that I don't know what it is now. But The last time I financed a phone, they only wanted to let you float about $750, meaning finance out. And whatever the difference is, you have to put down the up front. So we'll see how this plays out. But this is going to be interesting. Some people, like companies like AT&T, they let you just finance. You pay $60, $70 a month. That's just... My gym membership is $10, folks. I mean, and I'm actually getting some use out of that. You know, I'm losing weight. I'm staying in shape. I'm staying toned. You know what I'm saying? There's some value there. I don't know. Even if you're running a company, you won't want to do it from a $2,000 cell phone. That is still limited, by the way. I/O is the key. I/O runs things. It's your man Jay. Let's face black.